Hey guys, how you doing? So real quick video here, we're going to show you how to fix all those black dots you have in the game when you're playing Heartgold and SoulSilver on the DeSmuME. This is version 0.9.11, and if you can see here, all the dots, like the black dots that are, you're seeing them there, all those dots there, like when you're moving and they're black dots and they're appearing. Well, I'm going to show you how to fix that real quick. Okay, so basically super easy. I'm going to go over here to config. We're going to go to 3D settings. And then we're going to switch the renderer to OpenGL 3.2. Make sure you check enable anti-aliasing, reduces jagged edges, and press OK. And check this out. Look at that. 10 times better, right? No more black dots, none of that bull crap. That's how you fix it. If you use this video and it worked to your advantage, please give us a like, subscribe, and share, and you can help your other friends out who are trying to run this game on the emulator. And it's working very smoothly. No more black dots and none of that bull crap. Well, thanks for tuning in, guys. Hope that fixed your problems, and have a good day.